In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add Flixmate extension in Chrome. So to do that, you first need to head over to flixmate.net. You can see right here this multimedia toolkit, and you can head over and click on this download for Windows. Now for this case, if you want to have it onto your Chrome, you can head over to a new tab and search right here for Flixmate Chrome. Once you have done that, you can head over and see right here some Flixmate options. However, we don't have in here the actual option for the Chrome Web Store. So this means that this is only available into the app or desktop app itself. So head over and click on this download for Windows, and once you have downloaded it, you should be able to use its full features directly onto your Windows without having it onto your browser anymore. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video successfully helped you out with everything you need. Thank you for watching.